Do this now if you collect Social Security benefits, regardless of if it's SSI, SSDI, any of these fixed income benefits from the government, and you receive that letter. You should have gotten it in December, and the numbers didn't match up. Said 8.7%, but when you did the math, didn't calculate. I had a lot of people tell me this happened to them, and also I had a lot of people reach out to me and say, Steve, I never got that letter from the Social Security Administration. They never contacted me about my COLA boost, my increase. I have no idea if it's accurate or what's going on. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly where you need to go. I'm going to link these in the description, put them on the screen, walk you through the process step by step to make sure that you've got this all covered, and also that you do not fall victim to the scams that are happening right now as a result of this. It's very, very sad. I'm going to be sharing with you the latest headlines on this and make sure that you have all the information that you need so that way you can get this taken care of and you can get exactly what you're supposed to from Social Security. Now, we're going to dive right into all of this information, watch this all the way through, and if you need, go ahead and pause the video, click the links, go through the process step by step so you can get this taken care of. But before we do me a quick favor. If you appreciate these updates, hit that thumbs up button. It's the like button, and it just helps me out with the YouTube algorithm a ton. Thank you so much. As a result, they'll share this out to more people so they can get this information. And also, if you want to stay up to date, we're hearing there is a lot of changes that are coming in 2023 and more proposed because they've got a lot to do with restructuring the entire system. And if you want to stay up to date, it's totally free. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified immediately as updates come out, turn on that notification bell as well. But with that being said, let's dive right in. And again, I'm going to put these on the screen. I'm going to link every article and the official Social Security My Page website down below so you can access them. Let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so a couple weeks ago, I let you guys know that the Social Security Administration would be contacting you with letters, giving you information about the increases to your Social Security, a historic increase of 8.7% to your fixed income benefits. And take a look. It said, do not lose the COLA letter that you received in the mail, that was going to be your proof of increase, and if any modifications or changes needed to be made, you needed to hold on to that letter. Now, a lot of people told me the information was inaccurate or they did not receive the letter. Well, here are the instructions, and again, this is linked in the description below for exactly what you need to do. This came out on the 30th, and it's going to give us the step-by-step instructions. Now, in addition to that, in just a second, I'm going to be sharing with you the official webpage where you need to implement these instructions. But first off, here's how to check your COLA benefits amount for 2023. Now, Social Security beneficiaries can expect to see a significant increase in their benefit amount thanks to the cost of living adjustment increase in 2023. This increase will arrive through their January checks for Social Security, Supplemental Security Income or SSI, and Social Security Disability Income or SSDI. If you don't want to wait for your check to arrive to see how much of a bump up the COLA is going to be giving you for your benefits, there are a few alternative ways that are available to you, and this is going to be through the website. If you created an online My Social Security account by November 15th, you can now see by how much your check is boosted. Now, a My Social Security account will show you your current and expected future benefits based on your expected retirement age and your work history. You can also get documents for filing your taxes, request benefit verification letters, or change your mailing address and other personal information through the website. So highly recommend that if you have not set that up, you do so right away, right after this video. Now, how can I see my cost of living adjustment for 2023? Well, if you set up a My Social Security account, and this is hyperlinked, I'm going to put this in the description below, by November 15th, you can now see how much your benefits will increase by for 2023. Just log into your My Social Security account and check the message center to view the document that has all the details about your new 2023 benefit amount. Now, the document should tell you how much your monthly benefit is before and after deductions and when you'll get your first payment with the COLA increase. So in addition to the increase, they're going to let you know the arrival time as well. If you didn't sign up for a My Social Security account, keep an eye on your mailbox because you'll receive the COLA notice in the mail sometime this month, and that was for December. Note that your higher Social Security payment will take effect in January 2023, or that COLA increase. If you're a Supplemental Security Income beneficiary, your first payment increase will be on December 30th. So again, those of you collecting SSI, you should have already already gotten that bumped up check for January, but it came early in December. Now, here are the steps to create an account. Create a My Social Security account. To see all of your Social Security benefits online, you'll first need to create that account. And here's what you do. So, 5 steps. Number 1, go to SSA.gov on your browser and click Learn About My Account next to My Social Security Account. Step 2, click Create an Account. Step 3, you'll be prompted to sign in with your ID.me account or login.gov account unless you created an account before September 18th of 2021. Note that you'll need to create one of those accounts if you do not have one. So you're going to need to take care of that, either an ID.me account or a login.gov account. Step 4, once you have an account, you'll need to agree to the terms and services to continue. Step 5. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. The Social Security Administration will send a one-time security code to your email that you'll need to enter within 10 minutes to continue to your account. So they want to verify your information, make sure that it's you, and then once you do that, you can begin the process. You should now have access to all your Social Security statements and other details online. Now, the Social Security information that you should be able to see online, here it is. When you sign into your online account, you'll be able to view your Social Security statements. If you don't yet receive benefits, you'll see an estimate of the amount that you could receive when you retire. There's a table that shows your monthly benefit amounts if you retire. For instance, if you were born in 1960 or later, your chart may show retirement at age 62, 67 for full term, or 70 years if delayed. Note that these retirement ages may change in the future. The longer that you wait to retire, the more money that you could receive per month. You can also see your eligibility and earning information if you've worked at least 10 years. You'll have enough work credits, you need 40 to receive benefits. If you click on Review Your Earnings Records, you'll see your taxed Social Security and Medicare earnings for each year that you worked. Now, also on your account, here's some other things that you can do. You can request a Social Security card replacement, start a retirement application, start a disability application, calculate benefits for a current or former spouse based on your earning records, check the status of your retirement or disability application, request a benefit verification letter showing your payment or lack thereof, and report your wages if you work and get Social Security disability insurance as well. So to clarify, all of this can be done, fixed, and modified on the official site. Now, here it is for you guys. This is what it will look like. And again, don't fall for any of the scams. This is the official website. This is what it looks like from the United States government. It is ssa.gov/myaccount/ and here is where you're going to go to walk through these steps to create an account or sign in to your current account to make any modifications that might be needed. And also, like I said, Social Security scams and how to avoid them. There are a lot of these taking place right now trying to scare people and take advantage of them. I want to make sure that nobody falls victim to this. It says that the FTC said that there was $375 million worth that went to scammers impersonating the SSA. Now, just scrolling down very quickly, most common Social Security scams. Social Security scams can happen through phone calls, emails, text, or physical mail. Fraudsters will often impersonate a representative of the government and attempt to trick you into either sharing personal information or making a payment. They will often try to scare you by saying there's a problem with your Social Security account or threatening you with fines, arrests, or legal action. Regardless of the scammer's goals, it is important to remember one thing. The Social Security Administration will not contact you, much less urge you or push you to take immediate action of any kind. Any communication like this is likely a scam, so never feel pressured, never fall for any of that. It is most likely a scam. Hang up or do not respond and go to the official website that I just showed you, and that is where you'll be able to contact them. You make the effort to contact them, not them contacting you, and get anything sorted out that needs to be done so that way you can do this safely and securely. And again, if you did not receive a letter or your information was incorrect, do not feel bad. You are not alone. I've had a lot of people reach out to me about this. That is why I created this video. And also, if you want some help calculating that 8.7% increase, if it's not matching up, it might not be a mistake. It just might be that it's based off of something you did not realize. And we're hearing that this is happening to a lot of people. Now, for more information about how to correctly calculate this, if it looks like it's off, check out this video right here. I go into all the details details to make sure that you can verify the information that was provided by the Social Security Administration. So check that out. And again, if you haven't already, smash the like button, subscribe to stay up to date, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. God bless. Have a blessed New Year's. This is Steve.